Everyone thinks the best-selling garden tool sets are automatically the best ones, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Granebo Gardening Tool Set. The Granebo Gardening Tool Set caught my eye right away, especially considering its price point of $27.98. With 9 pieces and that stylish tote bag, this set promises both functionality and a touch of flair. If you want a complete gardening kit that looks good while doing the job, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The stainless steel construction means these tools resist rust and won't warp over time, making them a long-term investment. The ergonomic wooden handles are designed to fit various hand sizes, which is crucial when you're spending hours digging and planting. And let's not forget the practicality of having a storage bag. No more hunting for tools in a cluttered shed. With over 10,000 sales in the past month, it seems like many gardeners are finding this useful. Now, some people complained about the weight being a bit on the heavier side for some tasks. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about gardening, a little weight often indicates sturdiness. For casual gardeners, it might feel a bit much, but for those who want durable tools that can handle tough jobs, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish, all-in-one gardening tool set. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for simple garden tasks. At this price, you're definitely getting solid value for your money. Now, if the Granebo's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Craft 911 Gardening Tool Set. The Craft 911 Gardening Tool Set, priced at $30.99. This set stands out because it focuses on comfort and practicality, making it an ideal gift for gardening enthusiasts. If you want a complete gardening solution that prioritizes user experience, this set is definitely worth considering. The standout feature here is the ergonomic design. These tools are made from high-quality aluminum alloy, which is not only lightweight, but also resistant to rust. This means you can garden for hours without feeling the strain on your hands. The included heavy-duty garden bag is a huge plus, keeping everything organized and easy to transport. With 8,000 units sold recently, it's clear people appreciate this thoughtful design. Some reviewers mentioned that the tools feel a bit smaller than expected. Now, I get that could be frustrating, but for many gardeners, especially those with smaller hands, this could actually enhance comfort and control. Just keep in mind that it may not be ideal for larger hands. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comfortable and organized gardening experience. Skip this one if you prefer larger tools. The investment feels justified for the quality and comfort you receive. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love aesthetics in their gardening tools.
Product number 3, Jump High Garden Tool Set. Then we have the Jump High Garden Tool Set, priced at $32.99. What initially caught my attention was the stunning floral print on the handles. If you want beauty mixed with function, this set is a definite contender. If you want a complete and visually appealing gardening kit, it's worth a serious look. This kit is packed with 10 essential tools that cover everything from planting to watering. The ergonomic rubber handles ensure a comfy grip, which is vital when you're spending time in the garden. Plus, it comes with a molded case for easy storage and transport, addressing a common concern for gardeners. With 6,000 units sold last month, it's clear that this set resonates with many. However, a few users noted that it might not stand up to heavy-duty gardening tasks. Here's the thing, if you're a casual gardener or just starting out, this set is perfectly sufficient. But if you're tackling more serious landscaping work, you might want to invest in something more robust. This is perfect for you if you love a pretty set that covers all your gardening basics. Skip this one if you're planning to do heavy-duty gardening. It's a great value for those who appreciate both style and function. Moving on to our next option, if you want something that is built to last for serious gardening tasks, you definitely need to check this one out.
Product number 4, Kynep Gardening Tool Set. We have the Kynep Gardening Tool Set, priced at just $19.99. I was really impressed with the affordability and the fact that it includes a wide range of tools. If you're looking for budget-friendly essentials that still get the job done, this set deserves your attention. What's great about this kit is the rust-resistant aluminum alloy construction, which means they'll hold up over time without corroding. The set includes a trowel, hand rake, and pruning shears, which are fundamental tools for any gardener. Plus, the included garden bag makes it easy to carry everything you need. With 4,000 units sold last month, it's clear this set is a hit among budget-conscious gardeners. Some customers mentioned that the quality feels a bit basic compared to pricier options. Here's my take. While it may not have all the bells and whistles, it provides solid performance for everyday gardening tasks. If you're a serious gardener, you might want to look for something more premium. But for many, this is more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or if you want a reliable set without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end tools. You can't beat the value for the price. Now, if you want even more reliability with some advanced features, wait until you see the next one.
Product number 5, Fiskars Garden Tool Set. Let's talk about the Fiskars 3-in-1 Garden Tool Set, priced at $24.95. This set is all about durability and efficiency, which is why it's highly regarded among gardening enthusiasts. If you want reliable tools that can tackle tough gardening jobs, this is a great choice. The polished cast aluminum heads enhance rust resistance and durability, making them perfect for digging and planting. The ergonomic soft grip handles reduce fatigue significantly, allowing you to work longer in your garden without discomfort. Fiskars tools have a solid reputation, with 4,000 units sold recently, showing they're trusted by many. However, some users have pointed out that the trowel and transplanter feel a bit heavier than expected. Here's the thing. That extra weight often indicates sturdiness and power, which is beneficial when working in tough soil. But if you prefer lighter tools, this might not be the best fit for you. This is perfect for you if you want reliable tools that can handle tough tasks. Skip this one if you need something lightweight. Given the quality and performance, it's definitely worth the investment.
So there you have it. 5 garden tool sets, each with their unique strengths. The Grenibo and Craft 911 sets offer style and comfort, while Jump High gives you beauty combined with essentials. Kineup is your budget-friendly option, and Fiskars stands strong with durability. Whatever your gardening needs are, there's something here for everyone.